Hi, welcome back to my online class. I'm Irene Jahan. How are you? Hope you are well. This is my third class on Wordsy. Today I'll finish the reading understanding of the story. So everybody follow the page 105. Mr. and Mrs. Smith washed the dishes and watched television for a while. After finishing the dinner, Mr. and Mrs. Smith were washing the dishes and watched television for a while. That means for a short time they were watching television. Then Mrs. Smith went to see if Tommy was all right. After that, Mrs. Smith went to see Tommy if he was all right. It was past his bedtime. So his bedtime was past already. So he should have been asleep. So Tommy must be asleep now. She looked into his room. Tommy was sleeping. So Mrs. Smith looked into his room and saw that Tommy was sleeping. Mrs. Smith went to turn off his bedside light. Bedside means the side of a bed. That means bichanar pashe. Mrs. Smith went to switch off his bedside light. She wrote on his bedside table. Note means a short letter. She saw a letter on the table. It said, "Mother, there is a school trip to the lake and fort tomorrow. Wake me up at 7 a.m. Tommy." Trip means tour, মানে ভ্রমণ করা. To the lake. Lake means h্রদ. A large area of water that is surrounded by land, যেটার কিনা মাঝখানে পানি থাকে এবং চারপাশে মাটি. And fort means দুর্গ. A building built in order to defend an area against attack. দুর্গ মানে হচ্ছে অনেক বড় করে এবং অনেক মজবুত করে উঁচু করে দেয়াল তৈরি করা হয় শত্রুদের কবল থেকে রক্ষা পাওয়ার জন্য. সো টমিদের স্কুল থেকে তারা নেক্সট ডেতে ভ্রমণ করতে যাবে. এই জন্য টমি একটা ছোট চিঠি লিখেছে তার মায়ের উদ্দেশ্যে. ওয়েক মি আপ অ্যাট 7 AM. ওয়েক মি আপ, আমাকে জাগিয়ে দিও, at 7 AM, সকাল 7টায়. Tommy. In the morning, Tommy woke up when he heard Smudge scratching at his door. Scratching means scrap with the nails. কোনো কিছুকে আঁচড় কাটা, নখ দিয়ে আঁচড় কাটা. So next morning, Tommy was waking up. Smudge scratching at his door. যখন তার পোষা বিড়ালটি তার দরজায় আঁচড় কাটছিল সেই শব্দটা শুনতে পেয়ে টমি জেগে উঠেছিল. He sat up and yawned. সে উঠে বসেছিল and yawned. Yawned means হাই তোলা. To open the mouth wide from being tired or bored. যখন আমরা খুব টায়ার্ড হয়ে যাই বা কোনো কিছুতে খুব বোরিং ফিল করি তখন আমরা কি করি? হাই তুলি. Yawned means হাই তোলা. Daylight was coming through a gap in the curtains. Curtains means a piece of fabric that is hung to cover a window. আমরা জানলার ওপর যে কাপড়টা ঝুলিয়ে রাখি, দ্যাট মিন্স যে কাপড়টা দিয়ে আমরা জানলাটা ঢেকে রাখি সেটাকে বলা হয় কার্টেন্স. দ্যাট মিন্স পর্দা. সো পর্দার ফাঁক দিয়ে দিনের আলোটা ভেতরে প্রবেশ করছিল. What's the time? Said Tommy to himself. Tommy said to himself that, what's the time now? He leaped up and looked at his watch. Leaped means to jump. He jumped up and looked at his watch. 8 o'clock. Wailed Tommy. Wailed means express sorrow. দুঃখ প্রকাশ করা. Tommy দুঃখ প্রকাশ করে বলেছিল 8 o'clock. Oh no, I've missed the bus and the trip with my friends. I have. This is the short form of I have. Missed means failed to reach, মানে সুযোগ হারানো. I've missed the bus and the trip with my friends. So Tommy has missed the bus and also missed the trip with his friends. Tommy stamped his feet. He was very cross. Stamp means to step heavily on the ground, মানে পা দিয়ে জোরে জোরে আঘাত করা মাটিতে. Tommy stamped his feet and again he got cross. It's her fault, cried Tommy. Tommy told that it's her mother's fault. I shall go and shout at mother. Shout means to say something in loud voice. উচ্চ স্বরে কোনো কিছু বলা, জোরে জোরে কোনো কিছু বলা. I shall go and shout at mother. I asked her to wake me and she didn't. Tommy asked to her mother that he told her to wake him up, but she didn't. Tommy went to his bedside table to take the note to show his mother. Tommy went to take the note for showing his mother, but he found another note next to his own. But there he found another note. Which one? He found another note next to his own. So Tommy found another note which kept next to his own. It said, "Tommy, wake up. It is 7 a.m., mother." This is another letter which has been written by Tommy's mother. এটা হচ্ছে টমির মা টমির উদ্দেশ্যে লিখেছিল, যে চিঠিটা টমি চিঠির পাশেই রেখেছিল তার মা। Wake up, it's 7 a.m. জেগে ওঠো, এখন 7টা বাজে। Just with the he didn't talk to his parents, that's why the story name is Don't Talk. I have tried my best to make you understand the story, and you will read the whole story again. Next class I'll give you word meaning, mixed sentence and question answers. Take care of yourself and your family. Soon I'll come back. Till then, Allah Hafiz.